Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Pamela Anderson filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effect gallery. Okay. Here you will see a search button. Just tap there and search for 90s Pam makeup. Okay, the top one, tap on it. This is the filter. Okay, suppose you are not getting the filter like this from the effect gallery, then what you can do, go to your For You page. Okay, and here search for 90s Pam makeup. Okay, you will see many videos here. Just tap on some recent videos. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the screen, you will see the effect name. It's in yellow, tap there. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Just tap there to use the effect. Likewise, okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from For You page, then what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Again you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.